So what you do, instead of trade the actual gap itself, I wait for price to come to that level on a smaller time frame, and then I want to see a reaction happen on the smaller time frame that's obvious that I can enter off of, right? So if the gap that I chose was this one, this first gray box, that's the one on top that that blue arrow is pointing to, if I chose this fair value gap to trade first here, I would wait, because it's on the this is the 4 hour gap, I would want to wait for price to come up to this gap, and I want to see maybe some consolidation, because the market usually does that before it expands heavily. It consolidates and expands. I don't trade the consolidations. I trade when there's volume in the market. When there's volume in the market will go from moving barely to expanding, to an expansion. So that's what I'm doing. So I'm waiting for the market to come here, my point of interest, POI, which stands for point of interest, and I want the market to come down and break and maybe disrupt the trend that came up to that gap itself. So by disrupt, I mean I won't want to wait and see a break of structure or change of character on the way down, and then when I see that, I can enter in on the retracement. And then that retracement can be a gap up here on the higher part of the range. So whenever price disrupts a trend or creates a break of structure or a change of character, you always want to identify that by drawing your high and low.